वो तो सभी ऐसा
आइए हेलो डॉक्टर आइए तो ये था इनका है ना यहाँ और यहाँ ये वो आर्टरी जिसमें एक जगह ही दो बार था जिसमें कैल्शियम था काफी तो इसमें ना ऐसे वायर डालते हैं तो वायर डालने से ना इसमें काफी क्लैरिटी हो जाती है कि वायर इतनी मुश्किल से जा रही है तो ये बिना रोटा यू नो एनोड
ओके
सो ये रोटाब्लेशन वाला वो है जो बर होता है सो दिस एक्चुअली is placed and then it cuts through the calcium like this. So देखो ये यहाँ स्टक हो जाता है. So यही अगर नहीं जाता तो नॉर्मल फील तो जाता है but if gradually you keep on doing it and it you will see you that it ये now it gone down ना. So वो जहाँ पे कैल्शियम अटक रहा था then it has cut it down like this. ठीक है? So कैल्शियम रिमूवल का ये होता है. Multiple times it has to be done. ठीक है so after this is the result after removal of calcium
okay so it's clean
now it is clean ये थोड़ा सा better हो गया then we go for the stent now if you see ये ballooning है so after calcium remove हो गया तो balloon भी पूरा inflate हो रहा है so multiple times we inflate the balloon at different places so that ये balloon के बाद का result है ये see ठीक है now we have to decide where to put the stent Now if you see carefully,
stent is made up of what?
Stent metal का
it's alloy
ठीक है so ये अब इसमें now you see we have the rule is to go from normal to normal so यहाँ से we have to go up till here है ना ये देखो ये broad है ये तो सारा disease लगता है so ये एक stent से cover तो हो नहीं सकता although we took a very large stent to begin with this is a 38 millimeter stent ठीक है तो ये हमने place करके इसको expand कर दिया then with the same balloon हम measure कर लेते हैं कि ऊपर कितना स्टेंट चाहिए होगा so we took a 32 millimeter नीचे वाले का diameter 2.5 mm है ऊपर वाले का 3 mm है
that's quite a bit
हाँ ऊपर वाले का 3 mm है so ये हमने दोनों स्टेंट लगा दिए and then we go with a smaller balloon so that it gets opposed to the artery nicely with higher pressure at multiple places we dilate so ये अब देखो this is the final picture now you can see you can compare this artery and the beginning one you can see beautiful flowing artery this was the difficult part and the right side was very easy this was the blockage there which we showed you earlier also so same procedure ballooning and then this is the stent this is 3 millimeter into 20 millimeter we inflate this like this and then again go in with a balloon so that it gets opposed nicely to the arteries and then this is the final picture. So both the arteries are clear. He is feeling some kind of discomfort because थोड़ी stretching की feeling रहती है. It will go gradually. अब risk इसमें क्या है एक तो इनका kidney वाला risk है जो हमने आपको explain भी किया था भाई CIP और ट्रांस इंड्यूस्ड नेफ्रोपैथी होती है बिकॉज डायबिटिक है और थोड़ा सा वो gradually पता चलेगा कल परसों में maximum फैक्टर उसका around 72 hours पे आता है. Second होता है कि there is always a 2% chance that the body doesn't tolerate the stent and there is a clot formation in the stent which is known as stent thrombosis. वो होता है तो we have to take him again and clean it. बाकी यहाँ से कोई bleeding हो जाए ये you know because you have इनके ना father कई बार कहते हैं procedure bypass PTCA हुआ तो ये होता है so वो नॉन चीजें हैं otherwise everything goes well then we will shift him to the room maybe tomorrow and maybe day after tomorrow.
okay
So from tomorrow onwards, I am flying abroad. Dr. Amit is here. So Sunday से जैसे भी decision होगा Sunday और Monday.
ठीक है the major portion is that which I would like to understand is that if there is a damage to the heart to the what extent
जब हमने इक्विन का किया था starting में तो it was around 40-45%.
okay
40%, which is okay for his
age.
So we don't expect further damage. And we hope that it will improve a little bit also because now the flow is at least it will not deteriorate. This is our hope. It may or may not improve. We cannot be sure about that.
It's a kind of a wishful
The main issue is that अगर इस block हो जाती तो it would have reduced further. वो हम नहीं चाहते. तब वो जो angina होना था इनको वो भी था. तो हम मिल लिया ना
नहीं अभी नहीं मिले.
अच्छा एक दो जगह तो मिले हैं
बच्चे
हाँ, ये तो
I have one request to you. So whenever you meet him, please put in his mind that has to be careful about that
sure sure
and
because
he has to walk. He wasn't
No,
listening.
no, even your sister was saying the same thing. So I told her we'll go together and counsel him. But presently he was in some
but
discomfort.
right now,
So we are not disturbing. Maybe tomorrow.
whenever please put him in his mind because he has never believed in these things. Good at 85 only it has happened. Not at
No, but he is a very cheerful kind of a person.
That way
Like communicate with everybody.
He is so
Follow
well
everything
learned.
very like
he is so-
sincerely.
इनकी डिग्रीज हैं मेरे पास 10-12
No,
डिग्री
he is studying. He is so well read and he keeps studying.
Yes.
But he says, I don't go out of my room.
He
You have to go out
He
of
goes
the
to the room, but then not the house.
He has to come.
Luckily for us, now the house is big enough for him to take his walk inside only. But he doesn't like going out of the house. अपने shoes, socks पहन के अपना walk करते हैं, लेकिन inside.
ठीक है आप
Thank you so much.
Thank you.